I'm super excited because my friends at SKG sent me this nice foot massager. I dance every day, and you know, sometimes my feet are all beat up and I need some nice TLC on my feet. I'm going to show you what comes in here and how beautiful. I mean, this is not usually what you say about foot massage machines, but this machine is beautiful. Check that out. Beautiful. It's so well made. You see that? Everything is thought about. Here, the material is nice, so this is going to be very durable. You can take it with you anywhere, right? I guess this is perfect for those beauty workers that do home calls, and they go and they do your manicure or your pedicure, and they go from home to home, right? This is be perfect. So here is where the feet go, and they get massaged in different ways, right? And I'm going to show you how to set it up real quick, right? So basically it has a remote control, of course, so you don't have to bend and do it. It comes with a power supply so that you can, and it has different modes. It has heat, so you're gonna be having a massage, but also a really nice heat massage, right? So that you can have like all the comforts of a spa. So you plug it in, and then in the back right here you plug this in. There you go. And it has all the controls you need right there. You see, you can do it locally right there in the controls, but also it comes with a remote, right? If you don't want to bend over, and you shouldn't, right? You have this remote right here. You see that? Okay, let's open it. So I want to show you how to set it up. So these remotes, they come with a, you see, really nice with all the functions. They come with a plastic right here. You see that plastic right there? You have to pull on that plastic. Let me see. Can you see it? Yeah, you have to pull on that plastic, and that's it. It's activated. Now you can turn it on with the remote. See? And do all the modes that you want to do. Let me turn it on right here real nice and do one of the programs. So then so it's massaging. It has a nice engine in the middle, and it's massaging your feet. Really, really nice. And this goes up to size 13. So let me see if you can see the movement in there. I think you might be able to perceive the movement in there. So there's a movement in there, and nice. It'll give you a really nice massage. I wish you could feel it, but I'm sure you will when you get this beautiful, nice massage unit. Let me turn on the heat. Turn on the heat real nice. So you turn on the heat, yes, and it starts heating up. And then here you can set up the time, right? And they recommend that you do it in 15-minute to 20 to 30-minute intervals, right? And then you can put the different modes. So it's going to have different modes of there you go. Yeah, different modes. Whoa, that's pretty strong. It has a really, really strong motor in there. I think you can hear this here. It's very quiet. So then you can sit really nice in your favorite lounge chair, put your feet in there. You have your remote control right here where you can change the modes, right? And then you can have a beautiful spa experience at home. Thank you to the guys at SKG for sending this to me. I'm going to be using it a lot. Really, whoa. Super, super recommended.